Stop chasing only viral trends for a second. Because the videos making me money and pulling views on YouTube this month are not even the newest uploads. The content performing best for me right now is content I made some time back. That's when I realized something powerful. Evergreen content is the real digital asset every creator should focus on. Most creators are exhausted trying to post every trend every day. But the smart creators are building content that keeps working even when they are sleeping. In this video, I'm going to let you know 5 powerful reasons why evergreen content can change your creator journey completely. Good morning, good afternoon. I'm very glad that you are allowing me be on your screen once again. Yes, before we dive into the beautiful reasons why you should run to evergreen content, allow me put this disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. Yes, and to my beautiful engagers, I love you so much. You have been so awesome. You guys, most creators are exhausted trying to post every trend every day, including me, on some specific platforms. But the smart creators are building content that keeps working even when they are sleeping, even when they are sick, even when they don't have energy to post. In this video, let me show you 5 powerful reasons why evergreen content can change your creator journey completely depending on my analytics of this month. I'll be showing you how it is working for me. It can also work for you. Let me see the biggest reason it is evergreen content keeps paying you for a long time. One of the big mistakes creators make is depending on only trending content. This trending content can excite you, yes, it can make you get views, it can make you get followers, it can make you be on For You page and be noticed. But most of them die within hours or days. Yes, because these trending and viral, they are for specific reasons. So they die easily. But evergreen content is different. Evergreen content is content people will continue searching for next month, next year, and even after years. Now, take an instance, you guys. If you go to search for a trending viral video in your location, in your country, after 5 years, will it come? No, it will not come. So evergreen content is content people will continue searching for. Now, let's talk about things like how to make money online, beginner creator tips, passive income ideas, how to grow on social media, best niches for beginners. These are the best for you to rely on. These topics, they will never expire. That's why some old videos suddenly start performing again. The internet keeps recommending them because people are still interested in the topic. Imagine uploading one video today and it keeps bringing views for you, followers, and even money in months later, in weeks later, in years later. That is the beauty of evergreen content. Evergreen content reduces pressure and burnout. Let's be honest, chasing trends every single day is exhausting. Please allow me tell you about this. It's very exhausting and I've experienced it in the last 2 weeks. I tried to follow up for some social media platform like Facebook to be putting for you people to watch what is trending. I shouldn't bore you, but I got exhausted, I got depressed, I got stressed. I cannot even do what I'm supposed to do. Yes, I wake up in the morning, there's a new sound, there's a new something that has happened. Again tomorrow, another challenge, something is also coming up. After Okelo, there's Amongin. After Amongin, there's black sugar. After black sugar, this is happening in my country. And really, it becomes, then there is Ebola. So you find it is hectic and tiring. Next day, another viral topic. You guys, it's very hectic. It needs, it needs you to be consistent and also mind about how you go about it. Really, it leads to burnout. If you miss even one trend, you feel left behind. That's the only bad and big thing that the challenges me. I know it challenges everybody. But evergreen content creators, they move differently. They create valuable content calmly and strategically because they know their content can survive longer. That means it has less pressure, it has less stress and more consistency. Sometimes the content you post today may not explode immediately, never. But after weeks or months, the algorithm will push it to the right audience. So don't give up. That's why patience is very important in content creation. Evergreen content builds authority and trust. When people repeatedly find your old content helping them, they start respecting your page. You stop looking like someone just chasing views and start looking like an expert. That is how royal audiences are built. People trust creators who solve problems consistently. For example, if your page is always teaching people how to earn online, how to grow online, how to save money, or improve life, people will keep returning to your page because your content remains useful. Evergreen content turns followers into community. And remember, royal followers are more valuable than temporary viral attention. Evergreen content works with algorithm longer. Social media platforms love content that keeps people watching over time. If a video continue getting searches, saves, continue being shared, the comments and watch time after weeks, the algorithm, it will see it as valuable. That's why old videos sometimes suddenly blow up again. Many creators delete and content, they create and they want to bring the new content, leave out the old content, but this is wrong. Without understanding that the secret is in here, your content will catch up within time, anytime. Your old videos may just be waiting for the right audience. Some of the best performing content on my platform right now, today, was uploaded months ago. So instead of always asking what is trending today, also ask what content will still make after 6 months. What will it matter? What will it be contributing? That question can change your creator career. Evergreen content, last but not least, it creates stability income. This is one of the biggest reasons I personally value evergreen content. When your content keeps working for months, your earning becomes more stable. Instead of depending on one viral moment, your creator or you really, as a creator, you create a library of digital assets working for you daily. That means more consistency, more views, more watch hours, more affiliate clicks, more brand opportunities, more long-term growth. And honestly, as a creator, we love stability and stability matters. Because social media income can already be unpredictable sometimes. Evergreen content helps balance that uncertainty. So if you're serious about growing as a creator in 2026, stop focusing only on trends. Trends can bring quick attention, but evergreen content builds longer-term success. Create content that people will still search for tomorrow, next month, and next year. Sometimes your biggest video has not failed. It is simply waiting for its time. If you believe in this building, in me and building long-term creator income, follow for more tips and digital income strategies. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment what you think. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.